Hi guys, hi again, hope you're doing well. In this video, we're going to model the other lamp. I think it's lamp 01. So first, let's hide the other one. We don't need it for now. Go into edit mode, switch to front view, enable transparency, and select all the faces here. If you miss some faces, just hold shift to add them or use Ctrl++ to grow the selection. Ctrl+ minus will reduce it. Once that's done, go to materials, add a new one, and assign the emissive material we created earlier. Now we have our emissive setup. Next, let's adjust the shape to better match the concept. Go back to edit mode, press L to select everything and hide it for a moment. Select the vertices and move them on Z. You can press G twice to slide along the edges, then use Ctrl+B to bevel. Keep refining, move, scale, bevel until the shape feels right. If you slide along edges using G twice, it helps keep the proportions clean. Select the loop again with Alt, then press F to fill it. Switch to face selection, select these faces and extrude along normals just a little bit. Add a loop cut with Ctrl+R, scale it and bevel slightly. Now select this loop and mark it as sharp to improve the shading. Switch to shade smooth and adjust the angle if needed. Something around 60 works well. Continue refining the shape. At this stage, it doesn't need to match the concept perfectly. This is good enough. Now press Alt+H to unhide everything. Select these vertices and move them slightly on Z. Next, select this object, go into face mode, press L to select everything, then duplicate with Shift plus D. Don't worry about textures for now. We'll handle that later. For now, we're focusing on modeling. And that's it. We have our lamp. Press Ctrl plus S to save your work. Now, since these are instances, changes will affect the other lamps as well. Select everything and press Ctrl plus J to join them if needed. And that's it for this one. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more content like this. See you in the next video, guys. Bye!